And with the DNA in there, which could be from saliva, could be hair, could be nails, could be skin, could be photographs, signatures, anything that is your energy, we enter it in there, it will identify it. So you could be in a crowd of 1,000 people and I'll still find you. Hi, Bernard and Richard here. We are going to do this amazing demonstration about water. Lots of controversy, lots of money in water, and it's probably one of the most important next to oxygen. Water is the most important to your body, to your health, welfare, life in general. So we're going to do some sampling. But before we do it, Bernard has got a lot of stuff that is energetic because we're going to test everything energetic. So he's going to take his watch, his straps, his phone. All this is going to come off. And this will have an influence should he be keeping that on him. And so he's being robbed.
Rings too?
Sure. All right. So Janine's going to take that away. As you see in our other videos, and if you haven't seen them, please do watch some of the other ones and share them with other people too. We are going to measure his life force through DNA. And how we're going to go about it is we're going to collect some saliva. And the saliva will contain his DNA, which is unique to him. So there's 2 Q-tips. Just put it in your mouth, okay? And then we're going to enter these in the tubes. We all have our own distinct frequency. Just like every radio station has its own frequency.
Every cell phone has
Every cell phone has its own frequency. Everything, every raindrop, every snowflake. So we're going to have you stand on that. Okay, so we're going to measure Bernard's energy, and we're tuned into him because of his DNA. As I walk backwards, we reach the edge of his energy field, right over here. Okay, Bernard, just step sideways like this. Watch what happens. It's going to follow him because it recognizes that. Go ahead, step back. Okay, walk back to your spot there. Okay, so through your DNA, this is what the police does. They know you by your DNA. This instrument tracks you by your DNA. If I pointed to Janine, not her DNA. Since I pointed to you, it knows it's you, it's your DNA. Okay? So, this is your life force here, right now. Everything being energy, you are energy. Everything is energy. And so where the energy goes, it has to flow. Water has to flow. Energy has to flow. That's life force. And everything that flows and brings energy into us is going to help us in that. And water is something so essentially because we are predominantly water. 70% plus water. Okay, so we got a good sampling of different waters here. And we're going to find out the energy associated with each bottle. Janine is going to hand them, and again, everything being water, what happened is that it collapsed. Doesn't matter. It's tapping into your energy field. See? And so tap water does not add energy. It's dead water. As soon as water flows to 300 feet of piping, so you can drink a lot of tap water, yes, it's going to hydrate you, but it's not going to add energy to you, okay, initially. So we're going to exchange that to a bottled water. And that's a Nestle water.
Spring water.
Spring water. It's got a little bit of energy in it. Not a lot. Not the most ideal. Okay, here we have another bottle of water.
This is another brand of spring water.
Another brand of spring water. It's better. It's actually got a bit of energy in it. It boosts you a bit. Okay, so it's a better brand of water. So you can see there's many differences in waters, in the bottles that they're in, perhaps. Okay, so what water do we have there, Bernard?
This is just a crystal Geyser gaseous spring. I got it at the dollar store.
Okay, this is a dollar store kind of, it's neutral. Okay, this water is neutral in energy. Okay, so let's try the coconut water. Everybody loves coconut water these days, so we can see that actually the coconut water has more energy. And we know that coconut water is actually good for building up blood plasma. So that is world famous Kangen water. Okay, so yeah. So there's the Kangen water, more energy in that. And now I have another enhanced water, which is basically the Kangen water, and added with my technology that I've infused further energy into it. Lots of frequencies. And you can see that this is quite powerful water. Right over here, we've more than doubled the energy field with that. Okay, so the wands open up, that gives us the new limit. This is Dr. Patrick Flanagan's pure crystal energy. And it's quite good, so you can actually add it to the water. So we're out here right now, about the same as where we were with my enhanced, okay? Okay, so that's the Cera water enhanced with the Flanagan crystals and the Megahydrate combined. Not bad, not bad, okay? So there you have a whole array of different tests that we're doing.
Megahydrate.
And that's the Megahydrate capsules that you can take as well when you're drinking water. And that was added to that last sampling of water. Okay, so that's the energy that we have in the Megahydrate. So good products. Read up on Patrick Flanagan. He's quite an amazing guy. Helped to bring down Apollo 13 when he was like 14, 15 years old. There we have some testing on the water.